Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Dehydrate strawberries. Take plenty of strawberries. First step is of course wash the strawberries. Let me teach you the correct way how to wash strawberries. Take 1½ tablespoons baking soda. Sprinkle it on strawberries. Pour ½ cup vinegar on it. It turns fizzy. Add water in it until all strawberries submerge in it. Give it a quick stir. Let it sit for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, strain it. It will help to remove all dust and bacteria from strawberries. Then simply rinse with tap water. Our strawberries are washed well. Remove in a clean bowl. The first thing we need to do is we have to take off the stem. Hull the strawberries. Chop it up. Slicing up the strawberries. Slice them in lengthways as shown. Try to slice them in equal size. They are all about the same width, then they will all dry the same rate. So we're just gonna finish up all of our berries. Look how beautiful heart-shaped strawberry pieces are. All strawberries sliced up. Place them in an air fryer basket. Arrange strawberries in a single layer, so that way there's good air circulation around them. When you lining up they could be touching. That's fine. Just make sure they are not overlapping. Place basket in the air fryer. Turn on the air fryer. Press dehydrator button. Set a time, reduce the time. Then press start. It will take around 5 to 6 hours depending on your air fryer and depending on how thick slices are. You can see what they look like. I recommend check in between and inspecting your strawberries to see if they're drying or not. They're cool enough to touch. Strawberries are done. I can easily tell they're done because it's reduced size and flattened as well. Isn't that fantastic? Rather over dehydrated this than under. We're just removing strawberries from the tray. They're really thin and crispy too. They're crispy. I don't know if you can hear it. Here's the look at one up close. After dehydrated, keep them on the kitchen counter for 1 to 2 hours, then put them into a jar. I will suggest not to spray oil. I sprayed oil on first batch of strawberries, and it will turn a little greasy and dark in color. You will easily notice two different colors. One is so beautiful and fantastic. If you cut extra strawberries so eat it, or otherwise you can dehydrate them as well. Place a steel rack and lay them and dehydrate them with the rest of your slices. You will enjoy 1 year this. These are perfect dried strawberries. They're dry, they're not mushy or gooey at all. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry area for up to 1 year. To condition them, put the lid on and just give them a shake twice a week. It will help them last long. Dehydrated strawberries are great for adding to cereals, yogurt, baking, or eating this natural candy on their own. Time to plate. They all stretch a little bit. My berries cereal's berries are finished and only cereal left. I don't like plain cereal, so I decided to dehydrate the berries at home. I love this dried strawberries in my cereal bowl. Or you have them as a snacks for later. Similarly, you can dry anything, seasonal fruits, mangoes, fixed berries, cherries, oranges, or even you can dehydrate meat too. Here's the look at one up close. They are super thin and crispy, aren't they beautiful? Or if you don't have dehydration setting in your air fryer, so set 135 degrees Fahrenheit, which means 57 degrees Celsius, or set it to the lowest temperature available in your air fryer. Pour some milk on it and enjoy it. Time can vary depending on different air fryers. If you have any queries, feel free to comment below. If you did find this video helpful, so do try and enjoy. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.